Hi, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I am here with Chef Val from OUT School of Community Medicine, and Julie is here with us today from TSET. Thank you so much for joining us. I love everything and anything, so I'm just going to let you tell us what we're making today.
Okay, so we have some fresh berry tartlets, and the reason they're tartlettes is because they're small, and instead of in a large pan, and we actually put these in you can see it's a mason jar lid with the metal side turned up. And so we'll get to that in a second. But to actually make these little tartlet crusts, we're going to use some rolled oats, some almond flour, and we're calling them berry tartlets, but you could put whatever on them. You could put apricots or bananas or whatever you love. Almonds.
So this is your dry ingredients.
All the dry ingredients. Quarter teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking soda, and then some pitted dates. Make sure to get the pitted ones. Make sure to check them too.
Tell me about dates. Why dates?
They add that natural sweetness, and they have a lot of fiber, and they're actually going to help the dough stick together too.
Perfect. Great question. Yeah. And while she's doing that, do you want to just let us know about TSET real quick?
Sure, yes. TSET makes grants to help improve health. So one of our programs is Shape Your Future, and all of these things are available on our website, as well as tips and a quiz on how to be healthy, and that's shapeyourfutureok.com.
Perfect. All right, we're going to let
I'm going to make a little noise. Yep. Okay, so this is well blended now, and we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice. I'm just going to pulse it just a bit more.
Okay.
And so what you want is a dough that holds into a ball when the dough is done, so that you can press it into the pan. Okay. So we may not be quite there, but yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay. So you just use this dough. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the plate.
Okay.
And make a ball. And then this just gets pressed in, a fairly thick layer, and then these get baked for 20 or 25 minutes.
Okay.
And then you can fill these with a little bit of yogurt. There are some great coconut or almond yogurts out there. We're just using a Greek vanilla yogurt and some fresh berries. And so you all can just take a little taste of either one of those.
So cute.
So cute. Awesome. Strawberries, any kind of berries.
Okay, so whatever your favorite or whatever you happen to have on hand, that kind of thing.
Yep.
All right, we get to taste. I always love this part. Personally, I would do breakfast, dessert, anything.
Yeah, of course. I mean, it really is a great breakfast because you're using the yogurt, which is very high in protein to get you going in the morning, and then the crust is low in sugar, high in fiber, has all those oats in there and almond flour, so it's very good for you.
Oh my goodness.
It's delicious.
So dessert, breakfast, snack.
Yeah, this is a perfect little, and it's easy, it's quick, you have those on hand, and you can make it for anything.
And you can make your kiddos assemble it.
There you go, totally. So it can be family friendly as well.
Yes, get your kids involved in the kitchen for sure.
Perfect, thank you very much. If you guys want to learn more about this recipe or any other recipes as our blueberry goes flying off, and have a great day, check out kjrh.com.